Hi guys, on today's video I'll show you how I make these hair clips. These are materials which I'll be using to create one of the hair clips. I made this hair clip earlier. Now I will show you how I make my other hair clip. First, I am covering this hair clip with this ribbon. I'm cutting ribbon length long enough to cover hair clip. I am burning ribbon edges so they don't fray. Next, I'm adding my scissors in between the hair clip, so when I apply the glue, my hair clip doesn't stick together. Next, I'm applying my ribbon on the top of the hair clip. Next, I will glue down all of the ribbon edges around the hair clip. Next, I'll glue on this small ribbon on a corner of the hair clip. And last thing what I need to do to finish off this hair clip, I'm gluing on this decorative embellishment on the top of the bow. And here are my finished hair clips. If you have any questions how I made these hair clips, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I will see you next time.